Hi guys, so after work ride, and summer is finally here. It's about 27 in the UK at the moment, and it looks like we've got a heat wave coming next week as well, so lots of riding to be had. I've done about 25 miles on the Sherman S, and yeah, some bit of seated riding, some really smooth sort of paths and stuff around where I'm riding, so it's very nice, and there's not much wind actually, which is really nice too. Did make the mistake of not bringing a water bottle with me, so it's really hot, so we're going back soon I think, but I wanted to go around and explore some of the lakes and stuff. I'm wearing the fingerless E-Rides gloves, so we're trying them out properly for the first time. I'm going to be reviewing these in a couple of weeks. I wanted to ride with a couple of weeks. I don't believe in just getting something and then chucking it out on the channel and saying, yay, they're the best thing ever. Disclosure, these have been kindly given to me by E-Rides for review and to keep. But I will let you know, obviously, my honest thoughts, good and bad. But I needed to give them a fair go before I do that. So keep an eye on the channel, and that will be coming soon. But yeah, let's get on with the ride and show you some more sights, I think. 35 miles, 27 degrees, and about 37, 38 miles an hour top speed tonight. Still not quite got my 40 mile an hour. I will get there, I think. Just need to find a decent stretch where I can kind of push it a little bit further than I was. But yeah, really fun ride. I love nights like this where it's nice and warm and sunny and there's not very much wind, which means you can get out. There wasn't actually much traffic. There was a little bit of traffic as I got nearer to the station, which is understandable, but you just slow down and you ease your way through pedestrians. I ride sensibly. When there's an open stretch with no one around, then that's when I open it up a little bit. Other than that, I'm respectful of everyone around. We went around some of the new builds that they're doing. Unfortunately, they closed off the lakes because they're building more stuff, so I couldn't get around the lake bit, which I kind of wanted to sit down and kind of have a chat and stuff. But we're now back at near the car, so I'm just cooling the car down before I get in, which is quite handy in a Tesla. And what else? Oh yeah, the E-Rides gloves, so far so good. On that ride they were really comfortable. The little hooks to pull the gloves off worked really well. Shout out to Dean. Didn't know what they were until yesterday, but obviously really handy and worked really well. So I'll keep using those, and again, it's just to see over the next 2 weeks how they hold up to that sort of stuff. I've got a pair of fingerless and ones with full fingers as well for the winter. So they'd be comparable. They're the same glove. It's just one's got fingers and the other one hasn't. Like I said, couple of weeks, and we'll do a review after we've been riding with them for a while. But I must say, the 35-mile ride, and it's really warm. They felt really comfortable. Didn't feel too tight. Yeah, fitted really well. The plastic underneath, like where the kind of the wrist guard bit, that seems pretty durable, and then there's a splint bit on the top again, which is good. It's all about protection of your hand. Now, I generally wear Flatland 3D ones, and I have done for some time, and there's nothing wrong with those, but they just didn't quite offer enough all-round protection. They had a few little palm parts, but I needed something more, so I bought some motorbike gloves from Motorbike Shop. Leather, really durable, really nice, and really good. So that's kind of what I'm going to be comparing it to, rather than the Flatlands, because I don't think it's a fair comparison, because Flatlands are more kind of ESK8, I would say, slower speeds. I wear them when I go out on the M104, for instance. It's something we can just chuck those on, chuck a lid on, and away you go. There's not really much else you need. Whereas if I'm doing sort of 20-25 plus, then you need protection. Now I've got Elite chest armor. I think it's 4 or 5 version. I've got Elite elbow pads. I've got Elite knee guards. We were just wearing Elite under trousers, without trousers. But it's so hot. They've been really cool, and they've also protected my legs from the Elite guard straps, which aren't particularly great if you if you have to wear shorts, they just dig in. So I thought if I wear those, still keep cool, and it stops them rubbing, and that's a win. So that works. And then I've got my Referral Ironman lid, which some people like, some people absolutely hate. I'm not sure why you would hate it, whether you hate just Referral or whether you hate the style of the lid. I kind of like the colour, I like the style, I like the golden visor, but hey ho, each to their own. And what else did I take out? I took out, obviously filming this on the Insta360 X4 in I think it's 5.7K at 60 frames, so it gives it a really good bit of high quality and a bit smoother than the 8K. 8K is good, but 8K at 24, so you just use them in the right circumstance. And then the my little favourite, the Hover X1. I must admit, I'm using this a lot more than I do the DJI Avata. I don't know. I like the Avata. I don't know. Maybe it was a bad purchase. I do like first person. I like knowing where I'm flying. So maybe situations where you get to and you want to fly, then maybe that's it. And it's a bit of a faff, if I'm honest, to fly it. There's a lot that goes into flying it. So maybe I'll go back to a DJI. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah. That's it really. A nice evening ride, first of many. I hope the weather stays like this for a while. UK, we've had crap weather, and it has a habit of going from this to stormy, rainy weather, so we'll see. But yeah, see you next time. Bye bye.